I am not a scientist. I am not a leader. I am just a witness, standing on a planet that is quietly changing before our eyes. Every morning I look at the sky and try to remember when the seasons made sense, when summers were warm, not burning, when winters were cold, not confused, when rain came as a blessing, not as a disaster. But today the air feels heavier, not just with heat, but with warning. I have seen forests that once stretched like green oceans across the land. They were alive with birds, insects, shadows, and stories older than any of us. Now many of those forests exist only in memories and photographs. Trees fall one by one, and with each fall, something inside the earth goes silent. They say it is for development, for roads, for cities, for growth. But I often wonder, what kind of growth leaves the land weaker, the air dirtier, and the future poorer? Because when trees disappear, rain changes, soil loosens, rivers choke with mud, and the balance that took centuries to build is broken in a few years. High above us, in the mountains, another story is unfolding, a colder, quieter tragedy. The glaciers, those massive rivers of ice that have slept for thousands of years, are waking up. I have stood before them and heard the cracks, like thunder trapped inside ice. I have watched water rush out where solid ice once stood. At first, it looks beautiful, but beauty can be dangerous when it hides an ending. Because these glaciers feed our rivers, they fill our lakes, they give life to fields far below. When they melt too fast, floods come, sudden and cruel. Homes vanish, roads break, lives are washed away, and when they melt too much, one day there will be nothing left to melt. No ice, no steady water, only dry riverbeds and questions we can no longer escape. Down in the valleys and cities, people feel it too. They wait longer for water. They walk farther with empty containers. They argue over what used to flow freely. Water, once a gift of nature, is becoming a daily struggle. Children are growing up learning the value of every drop. Farmers look at their land and pray for rain that may not come. And all around us, the temperature keeps rising, slow enough to ignore, fast enough to destroy. They call it climate change. But to me, it feels like a message written in heat waves and wildfires, in melting ice and rising seas, in storms that arrive stronger and droughts that stay longer. It is the earth reminding us that every action has a cost. We burned, cut, built, and consumed.